Okay guys, so you're welcome to today's training based on ethical hacking, and today we shall be looking at how to install and make use of a ghost track. Now these are what all these black hackers they use. They track any of their targets, and when they're able to get the informations of these targets, what have you, the next thing is for them to do their manipulations. So I will be training you and teaching you on how they use this ghost track to track your IP, either your IP phone or your IP system, or to know your exact location, tracking your phone or your username of any social medias. So we'll be diving into this training. Please note this for disclaimer, this training is strictly for educational purpose only. Please do not use this to track anybody without a permission. Thank you guys. So we enter it. First and foremost, for you to do this, we have to search for these two, ghost track, in a GitHub. So you open your browser. So once you have opened your browser, so you're on Google, so what you just type ghost track GitHub, okay? So this is the GitHub, so you click on the link. So I'm already on my GitHub, so this ghost track. So on this code, I copy this code, okay? Just click on this arrow, then click on this URL, copy it, then go back, open your terminal. Now once you're on the terminal, first and foremost, you have to update your system, okay? Sudo app updates. So you give it time to update itself, okay guys? So it has finished updating. So the next thing for us to do now is to clone this URL, which is copy the ghost track. Then you have git clone. Then you paste the URL which you copy, then enter. So give it time to clone. It's cloning. So it's done, okay? Now it's been done. Do your ls. So this is the ghost track, okay? This is the ghost track. Now after that, you have to enter it, so it's cd ghost track. So we are inside. Then you do your ls. So these are the requirements. Now first and foremost, we have to install the requirements. pip3 install arrow requirements .txt, okay, enter. No error, install, maybe you meant install, oh sorry, my install is not correct, okay, sorry. pip3 install requirements .txt. Okay. Oh, okay. Making the same mistake, guys. So sorry. Okay. Okay, guys. So once you receive something of this nature, this warning, okay, don't just go ahead. That's our Python 3 van vver. Okay, So you allow it to load. Okay, they will not have to what? Activate the source. Van v/bin/activate. Okay. Then we reinstall again. pip3 install /arrow requirements .txt. Okay. Okay, you allow it to install. Give it time to install, guys. So these we're able to see how they track persons, get your IP, and know your exact location. Okay. So okay, guys, it has been installed. So the next thing for us to do is to do our ls. Then your Python 3 GhostTrack-Py. Now it has opened. Now you can see on my screen I have IP tracker, I have show your IP, I have phone number tracker, username tracker. So these are ways they can track anybody. Now I want to be, let's say for example, they knew your IP, okay? They knew about your IP and they want to track the exact location which you are. The first thing for them to do is what? Type in the IP maybe of your phone or of your system. You know, there are various ways to carry out social engineering. If you have been listening to my training, you'll see all the social engineering which we have been doing. Now they have your IP and they want to track the exact location where you are. Now I'll be typing this IP 92.186.0.12. Click my enter. Okay, sorry, 1. Select option 1. I want to track IP1. Select the 1. Now I'll enter my target IP now. That's 192.168.0.12. Enter. Okay, so it is downloading out the information code. You can see, guys, you can see it has brought out the information of this person. This is the target IP. This is what country, Hong Kong, okay, city Hong Kong, continent Asia, region Hong Kong. This is the latitude, this is the longitude, this is the map, okay. I can also put this map and look for where this person is, okay. Now this is the city of Victoria. You can see, guys, you can see this is how they can track you. Now if they want to know the exact spot where you are, they can use either this latitude and longitude or using the map to track you. Now we'll be doing this. Now we want to copy these two, latitude and longitude, to track the exact place which this person is. Now copy. Now open our browser. Now once you open your browser, you go to GPS/coordinates.net. Okay. This will be able to give you the exact spot where this person is. Either use it or you can use the Google app, okay? The Google map will be able to show you the exact spot where the person is. Now, there is the latitude, paste it here. So copy the longitude. Let me copy that again, the latitude. Okay, so you see exactly how this information will be brought out, the get address. So guys, so you can see, so this is the exact post which this person is. You can see guys, this channel Hong Kong Highland 1 Chan, Queens Road X266 Road G Hospital. Okay guys, so you can see that this person is being found in this location, Island there. Now let's say we want to use our map. Now you can just copy this URL of this map, copy the URL, okay, then open your browser and type in that URL, paste it, enter. Let's see what the Google will give to us. Okay guys, so this is the map which is showing us. Okay guys, so if you know how to read the map, you'll be able to know this that he's showing you guys. So guys, so this is how to use this IP, and also we're able to, let's take a look at show IP. If I do show IP, it will show my IP of this location. You can see it's showing what my IP. Okay, now I want to phone number tracker, that is 3, open 3. Now if you know the target number, your target which you want to track is phone number, you can as well do that. Okay, let's assume I want to target my number. So you can see this for Nigeria. You can see how it has targeted this number, guys. So this how these trackers, these hackers are able to track persons down. If you do username which is 4, if you get to know the username of that person in social media, you'll be able to track these persons down. Okay guys. So please guys, do not try this unless it is being done on your own personal lab. Okay, don't try this outside of your lab. Okay guys, so thank you for staying tuned, and please, if you find this tutorial helpful and if you find it useful, please subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the like button of this training and share this training to others. These are how all these hackers carry out their activities. So to always safeguard yourself, please always use VPN so that your IP will not be shown out. Always use VPN on your system, on your phone, so that you will not be shown out. And always be mindful of the Wi-Fi which you are using. If you are using public Wi-Fi, you will be caught easily. Okay guys, if you are using Wi-Fi that is public, you will always be caught easily. And please, once you're sure you are using public Wi-Fi, make sure you are using VPN to block all your credentials so that these persons will not be able to penetrate into your system or into your phone. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Hope to see you soon, and please hit the like button and subscribe so that the next video you get notification from us. Thank you guys for staying tuned.